So whoever built this did a decent job of making a clean out here so I can reach pretty well in, and clean out here, and that clean out I can reach back that way and I can reach back that way a little ways. Fortunately, the burn is clean enough that there really hasn't been any creosote or ash buildup over here, because it would be very difficult to get a brush back in here. Personally, I like having a clean out here, a clean out there, a clean out there, maybe a clean out over here, and definitely a way to clean out inside of here. So we're actually going to cut this barrel off so that we can change it to be removable, so we can get down in there and inspect and clean. That's kind of important. So here we go, make some noise.